Good morning. So we haven't done this in a long time. It's been a minute. I feel like the last thing I uploaded was probably the second engagement party my mom threw for us. And that was like last summer. So it's been a while. It's been a very long time. So I wanted to do an update to let you guys know how this channel is doing because I've been neglecting it. First things first, I am no longer a YouTube partner. They stopped that because I didn't have enough subscribers and views. So that's been cut. So everything I do now is just a hobby. I wasn't even really getting paid before, but now it's really 100% just a hobby. So that happened, that was unfortunate. In brighter news, Tina and I are getting married, as you know. Very excited. I've been using a lot of my time to work out and diet and do all these miserable things to look good. So Tina and I look good for our wedding. I'm excited, I've been putting the work in, I feel great. I've been looking through some videos and I could definitely tell that I look way thinner now than I did when I was 205 during Christmas. Yeah, all the way back to Christmas. Like, I'm pretty sure the last thing I really remember filming was New Year's. So we did New Year's and then our friends came down to visit, a bunch of them, a lot of different groups. We tried to see the Say Anything concert, that didn't happen, so we just got in, just got drunk. And then Joe and Kirsten that came down. Circle of death. Circle of death. Circle of death. Circle of death. Circle jerk. Circle jerk. Oh. Actually got married.
Okay, chug. Chug? Yes, those first, sorry, those first.
Spit it back out, animal. So that was great, had a great time at their wedding. I drank so much. I actually was probably the first time I paid attention during a wedding because I knew that I was gonna have a wedding very soon, so I should probably see how everything worked and how everything was choreographed. Yeah, so right now this is just a huge file dump. Right now what I'm doing is I'm watching all the Avengers movies. I'm super stoked for that. Yeah, and just doing a dump. Tina's in Miami right now for a bachelorette party, so it's just me. I'm primary on call, so I'm just waiting for that phone call if there's any. It's St. Patty's Day. Dudes are gonna get into some drunk fights. Someone's gonna break their neck. Someone's gonna do something. It's inevitable, so I'm on call, I'm waiting. So I decided to just do a huge file dump with all this stuff. I have so much footage I don't even know what to do with. Like, it won't even fit in my terabyte anymore. I need to cut some stuff out. So that's what I'm doing today. With an update on life, as I said, we're just trying to get ready for this wedding, making sure everything's going according to plan. We have like 5 months. I've been really into just making sure that I'm eating the right shit. Like, if I was to open up, right now we have nutrition solutions. That's what I've been using so far. And this is the packaged meals that a lot of people use to stay fit. I really enjoy it because I don't have to do things on Sunday like meal prep. It's already set for me. I can count all the macros, my protein, my fats, my carbs. I know the calorie intake. It's great. If you want, just leave a comment below and then I'll send you a referral. It'll be $25 off, and then I get $50 off as well if you guys stay on for 2 weeks. What else has been happening? Now that we're here, just kind of living life in Baltimore City. Baltimore's okay. It's like a little gritty, but I just kind of see this as the first stepping stone before we get to do the things that we want to do. Still don't know where we're gonna go for the honeymoon. Still thinking about that. If you guys have any recommendations, I'll take them because I'm all out of ideas. Oh, and just a slew of other weddings, all our friends. We're in that age group now where everyone's getting engaged and married. So super excited to see everyone else's wedding so I could just, enjoy theirs, and then hopefully when they come to ours, they enjoy ours. So right now, that's really it. Whatever file dump you see right now is what we have. And hopefully I'm back in pace and I could do more videos like this because I do enjoy this. Just that time, man. That time is so precious. You gotta really use it to your fullest advantage. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. For as long as this channel has been around, really appreciate it. I'll see you guys later.
What you want me to do?